We want to put this quadratic expression into completed square form. Once again, the coefficient of x squared is 1. We begin with a squared bracket, and into it we put x, and half of the coefficient of x, including the sign, so we put in minus 4. We need to see what x minus 4 all squared gives us. We can expand. I'm using a grid to do the expansion. Put down the x, minus 4, x and minus 4. This gives me x squared, minus 4x, minus 4x, and plus 16. So this is x squared minus 8x plus 16. X minus 4 squared gives us this. Considering the expression we want to get, we have the x squared, we have the minus 8x, but we have plus 16, and we want minus 2. Therefore we need to subtract 18.